Namaste, welcome to Knowledge Plaza YouTube channel. It is all about mathematics. So today I am before you to discuss about the irrational number and their representation on the number line. Okay, let me discuss about irrational numbers. As you know that rational numbers are of the form p by q and irrational numbers s. Irrational numbers are the numbers which cannot be written or it cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. The numbers which are not in the form of p by q are called irrational numbers. Numbers which are not in the form of p by q, where p and q belongs to integers and q must not equal to 0. Q must not equal to 0. Then we say that numbers are irrational when the numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q and p and q are integers and q must not equal to 0. Then we say that numbers are irrational. Okay. So now let us discuss about how to represent or how to locate irrational numbers on the number line. On the number line, each and every points or represents the each or unique real numbers. Okay, on the number line, each and every point represents unique real numbers. As similar to that, every point on the number line represents real numbers, and every real numbers has their own unique representation on the number line. So let us discuss about the representation of real numbers on the number line. Firstly, we will look about the examples for the real numbers. Irrational numbers. Root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, 5, etc. are the examples for the irrational numbers. Why they are irrational and how we can say that, or how can we prove those numbers as irrational, we are going to discuss about them. We are going to discuss about them in the 10th standard. Okay, so for the 9th standard it is enough to know that up to how to represent or how to locate the irrational numbers on the number line. Okay, so let me have the look how to represent the irrational numbers on the number line. Okay, and also how to construct the square root spiral on the number line for the irrational numbers. Okay, let me have the look about to locate irrational numbers on the number line. So now let us learn how to represent or how to locate irrational numbers on the number line. Let me have examples to locate irrational numbers on the number line. Locate root 2 on the number line. So how to represent the root 2 on the number line? So we shall discuss about it. Root 2 can be written as 1 square plus 1 square.
Okay, 1 square plus 1 square, which gives root 2. So now let us draw a number line. Okay, mark the points as for 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. It is enough. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, so now here root 2 is written as 1 square plus 1 square along the x-axis. Let me call this as x-axis. We have to take 1 unit. Okay, mark this point as the A. And along the y-axis also we have to take 1 unit, and it has to perpendicular to the x-axis, and mark this as B. Okay, then join OB. Okay, it gives the value root 2 according to the Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem states that OB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. OA square is 1 unit, so 1 square plus OB square is also 1 square. Sorry, AB square. OB square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square. Then OB is equal to square root 2. Okay, 1 square plus 1 square. Here OB is root 2. 1 square plus 1 square, which gives the root 2 value. So now, what is the value of root 2? To find that, we need to take the radius by using compass as OB. OB as the radius. Okay, then draw the semicircle which intersect the number line. Draw the semicircle which intersect the number line. Which gives the value of root 2. Let me measure the value of root 2. It is approximately 1.4. 1.4 something value. Okay, it is the value of root 2, and in this way we are going to represent the number irrational numbers on the number line. So let me take one more example. Look at root 3 on the number line. So root 3 can be written as root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square plus 1 square. Root 2 whole square plus 1 square. To locate root 3 on the number line, firstly we have to construct root 2. Okay, same procedure what you did for the previous one. Mark the points. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is 0 or O. And next, the procedure what we have followed for the root 2 is followed once. Okay, this is up to root 2, and next you are going to construct the perpendicular for OB. It must be perpendicular to OB as 1 centimeter. because this is up to root 2 whole square, and then one unit must be there. Okay, so for that 1 centimeter is as to perpendicular to the OB. Mark this point as C and join that point to the O. Okay, it gives the root 3. So to find the value of root 3, take OC as a radius by using your compass. OC as radius by using your compass, and then draw the circle or draw the arc which intersect the number line. Okay, it gives the value of root 3. Let me measure the value of root 3. What would it is about 1.7. Okay, these are the approximate values, not the perfect values. Okay, their digits are continuous, but here on the number line we cannot represent them. Okay, so this is about the root 3, and let me locate one more. So let me have the example as locate root 5 on the number line. So root 5 can be written as 2 square plus 1 square. 2 square means it is 4. Okay, so 2 centimeter along the x-axis and 1 centimeter on the y-axis. Let me construct the, or let me locate root 5 on the number line. Mark the points. Okay, mark the points 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So here we have to take 2 centimeter along the x-axis. Okay, mark this point as A, and 1 centimeter along y-axis, which has to perpendicular to 2 centimeter. Okay, then mark this point as B, then join that to the O. Next, which gives the value of root 5. Let me measure what is the value of root 2 by using your compass. Take the radius OB and draw an arc which intersect the number line. This point gives the value of root 5. Let me measure the value of root 5. It is about 2.25 is the value of root 5. Okay, in this way we are going to locate the irrational numbers on the number line. Let me do one more example to locate irrational numbers on the number line. Okay, let me learn about how to construct square root spiral. So same procedure what you did for the root 2. Firstly draw the number line, mark the points. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Okay, firstly construct root 2. So which gives the root 2. And next, how to construct the root 3? By taking the perpendicular for the OB of 1 centimeter, which gives the root 3. Okay, then again take the perpendiculars of 1 centimeter for OC. Mark this one as D and it has 1 unit or 1 centimeter, and then join OD, which gives root 4. Root 4 is 2. And next, similarly, take the perpendicular of 1 perpendicular for the OD of 1 centimeter, mark this point as E and it is 1 centimeter ED, then join which gives root 5. And similarly take one more unit perpendicular to the OE and then mark this point as EF, join OF, which gives the root 6.